Don't talk the talk, walk the walk. Kommt mal mit. Und jetzt bauen wir uns ein neues Cargo-Bike. Und zwar hiermit. Tada! Mein neues Cargo-Bike. Müssen wir mal gucken, ne? Da ist schon einiges. Passt da was? Sind wir mal ganz ehrlich, ich glaube, für heute habe ich meine Pflicht getan. Big Biking Cleanup, bitte folgen.
Hey, I'm talking English now because I'm in Denmark and I want to thank this wonderful lady from, what's the name of the grill station?
PERLE.
PERLE. And that means? PERLE, like, something that you find in a shell.
Yeah.
And it's a wonderful grill station and the lady allowed me to dump my waste, my plastic waste, and that is my first day where I collected a lot of plastic waste, and I want to say thank you. How do you say thank you in Denmark?
Tak.
Tak. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Goodbye, have a nice day.
You too.
Bye. Thank you. They must think the Germans are really crazy.